Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, July 31st, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about why August is the best time to start a side hustle or a work from home opportunity, and what I do at the end of each month. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 19 years. And I've been very fortunate enough to be working for myself full-time since 2018. And with that being said, it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So what I do at the end of each month, I'm an analytical guy, so I keep track of everything. And what I do is I'll go through all the things that I keep track of. So, how many postcards I mail out, how many signups I get, what program did I get the most signups in? How much money did I spend on my direct mail marketing? And then I look at things like, what can I do, like what really worked for me for this month, and then what I could do differently coming up in August that, maybe it didn't work so well. And that's what I do. I always do end of the month analysis to see what's working, what isn't working, what can I continue to do moving into the next month, what I shouldn't do. And it's just always, you're just always testing new things out. So with that being said, August is tomorrow, right? And if you've been involved in the work from home space long enough, you know that August and September really start picking up in the network marketing work from home niche, okay? It's, children go back to school, parents are, they're not running their kids all over for, summer camp or whatever it is that they're doing. And things just kind of settle back into a little bit more normal, back to life, right? And it's when people are start looking again for work from home opportunities, because they know that in a couple months, the holiday seasons are going to be here. And people always, this time of year, August and September, is when people look for ways to earn additional income so that they can prepare for the holiday season that is coming up. So there's no better time than now, going into August. If you haven't already started a side hustle or a work from home opportunity, or if you're looking for one, this is the time to start. It's time to just join an opportunity, take massive action, start building up your online presence and sharing your opportunities with people, because again, people this time of year, people start looking for ways to supplement or replace their income. And a lot of it has to do with preparing for the holiday season that is just around the corner, right? We're just a few months away before things start ramping up for the holiday season. So if you haven't started a business, or if you're looking to start a business, you can go to joinruss.com, and that's where I have all of my opportunities that I'm a part of. All right, joinruss.com, and you can check out all the programs that I'm a part of. Now, if you already have an opportunity and maybe you haven't been really focusing on it too much, or you haven't given it the attention that it really deserves in order to create business income, I do offer a 60-minute phone consult, and I do have a 30-day momentum program, okay? Both of which will help you take your business to the next level, providing that you follow what we talk about. If you're just gonna have a phone consult and take zero action, then there's no sense in wasting your money. But it will help you get going, okay? And that's what it's designed to do. It's to help you, focus on the correct parts of building your business and getting into a habit of doing, small daily income producing activities each and every day that compound over time. Because if you do anything for 30 days in a row, it becomes part of your routine for most people. That's the magic number, is 30 days. So if you were to create a piece of content every day for 30 days, the chances of you continuing that on after the 30 days is very likely, because it's programmed into your subconscious to become a part of your normal routine, okay? And that's what I try to help people do, because it all comes down to, you know, what you put into your business. Anybody in this industry can have success if they're willing to show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent. You know, it's just how it works. Unfortunately, most people never take any action, so therefore they get zero results. And I can't guarantee you'll get any results if you join me, simply because it's based on your work ethic, and most people, they don't have a very good work ethic. But now is the time to start a work from home opportunity, or really give an opportunity that you're already a part of some serious attention. All right, and that's what I'm going to be doing in August. I'm going to start ramping up my direct mail even more. I'm going to start doing different videos. I'm going to start doing some book review videos and kind of changing it up a little bit so that it's not, you know, I'm still going to do these, you know, my truck videos, and I'll still do my lives, but I want to do some book review videos and start sharing some of the tools that I use online to help, you know, that help me or allow me to run my business more smoothly. So I think I'll start doing those two type of videos here coming up in August, and that's it. So, you know, think about it. If you're already part of a business, just go and analyze what has worked for you in July and what hasn't, and what changes you can make that will better your business or your results moving into August. And if you haven't started a business and are looking to start one, go to joinruss.com and check out my businesses and join one and start taking massive action. And, you know, there's no better time to start an opportunity than right now, because it's going to start ramping up now for all of us involved in the work from home space. And why not finish off the year the best that you possibly can, you know? Especially if you've been slacking off the first part of the year. So with that being said, I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.